Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 23H of chapter 23, addition and subtraction of fractions. And this is my second video for this exercise. So here is an example. Actually the idea is the same, that we have to add or subtract the fractions, and we will follow these steps to add or subtract the fractions. So let's start with the help of this example. If I want to subtract these two fractions, I will check first of all what are the denominators. Here the denominator is x, and here the denominator is x plus 2. So because they do not have any common factor between them, so to get the LCM, simply you will multiply x with x plus 2. And now to solve the equation, what will you do? You have to multiply this x by x plus 2, as I have mentioned it over here. So you will multiply it here in both denominator and numerator. Clear? And then you will take this x, I'll show it with the green. You will take this x and you will multiply it over here in the numerator and denominator, so we can have both the denominators x into x plus 2 like this LCM. Clear? Okay, then we will write, because we have to keep the denominator the same, so I will bring x into x plus 2, the denominator, and then I will remove the brackets here. So it is giving us 2x plus 4 and minus 1x times will be negative x. Then we will collect the like terms, so we have 2x and negative x, they are like terms, so we will put them together, and then positive 4 in the end. So 2x minus x will give us x plus 4, and this is the final answer. Now you can say it's a kind of cross multiplication. I mean, to solve it we can cross multiply. How? You can take this negative x plus 2 and multiply it with the first fraction, numerator and denominator. Okay, then take this denominator x and multiply it over here in the numerator and denominator of the second fraction, and then the rest of the steps are exactly the same. So let's start from the questions from the exercise. Here the first denominator is x minus 4 and the second denominator is 2x. They do not have any common factor, so the LCM is going to be 2x into x minus 4. Okay, as I told you that it's a kind of cross multiplication. So what is the denominator here? It's 2x. So bring that 2x here with the first fraction, both in numerator and denominator. So let's write it over here. So it's going to be 2x here and it's going to be 2x here, right? And now bring this x minus 4 with the second fraction. So write it over here, x minus 4, and right here x minus 4. Means this one will be placed here. So the yellow one, the yellow denominator will be with the first fraction, and this green denominator will be with the second fraction. Now let's write them together in one on one fraction bar. So it's going to be 2x into 3 plus 1 into x minus 4. In my last video I explained you why it is important to write at least once together both the numerators here on one fraction bar, because sometimes whenever we have negative sign here, then the students, they forget to change both the signs in the second numerator. Okay, so let's remove the brackets now. So it's 2 times 3 6x plus x plus minus minus, it will be 4 ones are 4, out of we have 2x into x minus 4. Now these two are like terms, so they can be solved together. So 6x plus 1x will give us 7x, and here we will have minus 4 divided by 2x into x minus 4. So this is the final answer. Just keep it in your mind that we in the denominators we do not multiply these two together, we just leave them like this. So that's why this is the final answer for question number 29. So let's solve one more question from the exercise. Here what will be the LCM? Now better pause the video here and solve this question on your own. Here is the answer for question number 30. So it's so easy. 4x and 2x plus 1, this will be the LCM. Then you have to multiply 4x, this denominator here, both in the numerator and denominator, and this 2x plus 1, it's going to be multiplied here both in numerator and denominator. Then the next steps are exactly the same. So this is the final answer. After simplifying, we are getting this answer. So let's solve question number 34 now. Okay, again pause the video here, solve it on your own, and then play to check your answer. So here is the final answer for question number 34. All the steps are exactly the same, nothing is new, just you have to see what are the like terms, solve them together and get the final answer. That's all for this video. Hope you understand it.